What's up guys, Tech Giza here. In this video I'll be walking you through how to run your very first Python program step by step. Let's start off by downloading Python. So the first step to download Python is go to any web browser. I'm going to use Firefox. Type python.org. Python.org, not .com, not .net, python.org. Once you're in the website, go to downloads. And if you have Mac OS, just go to Mac OS and download the version for Mac OS. And if you have a older version of Windows, let's say you have Windows 7 or you have Windows 10, then go to Windows and find the correct version. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to all releases. So below download the latest version for Windows, you will see download Python install manager. Just press on it. Once it's finished downloading, press open file. And if you get this pop-up, just press OK. And then install Python. And it's going to open the terminal. Just press yes. And the terminal is going to ask you a few more times to type Y or N. Just type N. Now, if you want to check if Python is installed or not, there's 3 ways to do it. So go to command prompt. First type Python -- version. And if it says Python and then it says the version, that means Python is downloaded. And if this doesn't work, you could also write Python 3 -- version. And if it says the Python version, that also means that Python is installed. Another way to do it, right, is if you type where Python, and it will show you where Python is located on your computer. Once you've downloaded Python, you need a code editor to run Python on. I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code, but if you want, you could alternatively use PyCharm. So to download Visual Studio Code, go to this exact link. And once you're here, go to download for Windows, or if you have Mac, go to download for Mac. And once you've downloaded the Visual Studio Code, come back to the video. So now, once you've downloaded Visual Studio Code, now if you don't want to see this every time you open the app, just go and uncheck this. Now you can just exit this. So what you need to do now is downloading the Python extension. Go to extensions and write Python. Go to this extension, which is verified by Microsoft. Press on install. And now just wait for it to download. Once you've downloaded the Python extension, press Ctrl+Shift+P or just manually go to settings. Press on command palette, and here you should search select interpreter. So here you're going to see Python select interpreter. Press on that one, and then it's going to show your Python version. Press on it. Now once that's done, press on file to create a new file, and here we'll just name our file hello.py. Now just pick where you want to save it and press create file. And now you're going to see this tab pop up. Now you've created your Python file. So let's run our very first program in Python. So we're going to do print hello world. And one thing to keep in mind is that Python is case sensitive, which means if you write print with a capital P, the code won't work. So you'll have to write everything in lowercase for print. So print, and then parentheses, and then quotation marks, hello world, exclamation mark. So this is our code. And now if you want to run this code, go over here, press on the down arrow, and then press run Python file. There you go. You've successfully executed your very first Python program. Congratulations. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.